Let's go! Hold on! Let's go, baby! Oh, we back for sure, Dad. We are back, baby! Let's go! Oh, we live!
She told me I can fix you. So many niggas turn their back on me and I can lynch you.
Oh my God, it's focused.
Now they my mind to picture.
Alright, nah, it's done. It's done for. It's done for. The air horn is done for. JE, what is going on? Holy! What a that was terrible. I'm not gonna lie. The air dude, the air horn is dying. Terrible. I'm not gonna lie.
Shoot.
Dude, oh my God, my bitrate is so bad. I'm turning off the lights. I'm turning off the lights. The air horn is so bad. I mean, not the air horn. The lights are making the bitrate go so bad. What is going on, Jay? Long time no see. I'm gonna get copyrighted, so I gotta stop playing this music. Blah 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 blah. You guys can't hear the music. La 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 la. Worst friend of him. La, la, oh my God. La 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 la. All right, we're good. What is going on, everyone? Wow. Okay. BMW! What is up, brother? Whoa, what's this? What does that say right there? What is that? Oh, it's a chat. Is it? What the heck? Since when did my chat box look like that? That's so weird. Wait, someone said... Okay, that's weird. You banned me in the Discord, blood? Bro. I said I'm going live at 2 p.m. You said no one cares. I didn't know who you were, BMW. Hold on, let me get you back in. I thought you were some random dude. Oops. What's your name in Discord? I forgot. Johannes? Alright, there you go. I revoked the ban. I didn't know who you were. It didn't say BMW in the name. I thought it was some... Okay, I'm getting rid of the chat. Or how do I get... I want to make this chat not look like that. How do I make the chat now look like that? Help, guys. I need help. Message background video? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh God, I messed it all up. Mr. Blister, welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome to the stream. We're working on Nimbus right now. Working on Nimbus. What chat looked like that? I don't know, dude. I got rid of it though. Don't worry. Don't worry. We got rid of it. It's gone now. Anyways, how many subs are we at? We're at 600. I think we're at 600. 610, dude. That's actually insane. We're at 610 subs. I'll show you guys the analytics. What's Nimbus? Nimbus is a AI clock campaign that delivers on your MacBook Notch. I'm about to load it up in a second. I just gotta turn down the thing right there. There we go. Now we're chilling. We're chilling. Can I become a Discord mod? Maybe. Oh, Dre, of course. I got you. Type in the chat. Not in this chat, but the Discord chat. All right. Can you? Ooh, oh shoot! I don't have my thing. Can you load up what's it called? Why am I tripping on my words right now? Can I load up the Dev Mac OS app? All right, let's load up on my machine. We'll get started on Nimbus. If you guys don't know yet, meet Nimbus.ai. It is an AI clock companion that lives on your MacBook Notch. Ask it background tasks, basically everything, man. I'm gonna show you in a second. Working on some new features today. I don't know if John pushed anything to GitHub. I gotta double check. Definitely gotta double check that. Let me make sure that turn this to 144p. The music. Oh shoot, we gotta change the like goal. Let's do obviously 10 likes equals 10 push-ups. We always start off at that. Don't matter how big we'll get. It's always gonna be 10 likes. Did you see Origin Beta's out for Cursor? Yeah, guys. So one of the things is that you guys got a custom Git, only stick with GitHub. No, so we just so GitHub Cursor, or no, what's it called? Cursor Origin just came out, and I wanted to check that out on stream. But I swear to God, if I go to cursor origin. Watch this. I'm still stuck on this waitlist thing, and I checked all my emails, and I don't see anything about any like cursor origin. Cursor. Yeah, I'm on the origin waitlist still, y'all. I'm still on the origin waitlist. You need the cursor app? I need the cursor app? It's an agentic era. Alright, so download cursor. I've never used cursor before. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I was a windsurf guy back then. Well, back when I was using an IDE, I was a windsurf man. I didn't know I had to download the GitHub or the cursor app. I'll download it for sure. Cursor. Oh, is it still loading up? Did I just mess it up? I messed it up. Oops. Cancel. I messed it all up. Let's try it again. Cursor. Ah, I messed it up. New browser? I'm using Aside. Aside is the browser. It's pretty cool. There was one time they updated and it completely broke my entire like cookies, and I got mad, so I switched back to Chrome. But now I switched back, so I'm chilling now. I'm chilling, y'all. But yeah, a little bit of a new browser that I'm testing out. Can I load it now? All right, there you go. Now I can load it. So, Cursor Origin just came out. Apparently, I'm still on the wait list, but I signed up with my UniDesk email, not my actual like OG Gmail. Log in. Continue with sign in. Okay, Google. I'm gonna use my personal. All right, we're in. I like their logo. That's sick. So I'm on the free plan. Okay, what is this? Wait, is Cursor not an IDE anymore? What happened? I thought they were in an IDE. Are they an IDE? Oh wait, they have the IDE section right here. Plugins give your agents important context. Skip. Okay, that's just your IDE. So okay, guys. Cursor Origin. I load up Cursor Origin. All right, I'll put in my email. Okay, I'll do that. I'll put in my email. Sean Scott. There you go. We'll reach out to you when Origin is ready for you. All right, sweet. I'm in now. I'm pretty sure I got it. Look at the blog, the new one. Okay, hold on. Cursor.com. Did I get an email? What is this? You're on the Origin waitlist. Okay. How do I see their landing page? Cursor. Oh, wait. How do I go to the landing page? I'm going to log out. There you go. Check their blog. Okay. Wait, that's not blog. That's docs. Where's... Okay, blog's right here. They haven't posted anything about what's it called? They haven't posted anything about the Cursor Origin. If I check Twitter, usage limits have been reset. Let's go, baby! All right, Cursor Origin, our code hosting platform, is now live. Okay. Repositories. All right, let's go ahead and add. Let's connect our GitHub. Authorize. Open Cursor. All right, we're in. Okay. So new chat. No. Codex said they reset limits. Let's see. I'm at 65 right now. If they reset it, they haven't done it yet. I'm on 65%. I haven't seen anything yet. Okay. Automations, repositories on this Mac, cloud. No repo. Use existing GitLab. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything about Cursor Origin. I definitely wanted to try it out though, and see how it goes. But I don't. Unfortunately, I don't see anything for that section. Unless I'm like looking, like I need to look a different area. I don't see it, man. Okay, so where do we leave off with Nimbus? So we did edit the icons, right? And then if I check settings, oh yeah, it can't do background tests right now. Let's try this. Can you clean up my desktop for me?
On it. I'll speak up when it's done.
Okay. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, we're getting this type of error. Oop, I messed up. I sent a link in general. Got you. I'm getting this type of error when I try doing a background task when I have Codex selected. Wait, Sean, did you not used to have Windows or my bugging like a month or two ago? Damn, Dre, were you there a month or two ago? That's actually insane. Yeah, I was on Windows. If you're at my older streams, hold on, let's pull up the older streams. Go to live and we scroll all the way down. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, why am I like? Hold on. Oh, you were day one, Dre? You're right here. That's actually insane. I don't know you were there like for that long. But yes, guys, I was on Windows, but now I've grown older, I'm matured, and now I'm on Mac, man, and I can't be even more happier. I can't be even more happier. But yeah, I was on Windows. It is still a beast computer, I'm not gonna lie. It was a very, very good computer. All right, let's check out this. Origin code. Okay. Okay. This is in not in the language I want it to be in. There you go. Whoa. Nope. Oh God. Oh God. What language did you put me in, BMW? Okay, English. Let's go to changelog. Changelog. Okay, there you go. There you go. We're in. So we can go ahead and cancel these since these are not working.
All set.
Oh.
I organized 28 loose files into the existing images, videos, and documents folders without renaming or deleting anything.
Did it use
The desktop
Codex?
is now tidy.
Thank you. I
with
appreciate
only
it.
the Ubuntu alias left loose.
Appreciate
I left
it.
day videos and ADS master as they
Got
were,
you.
since they look like active projects.
Got you. Thank you. All right. I have Windows, but everyone's saying I should get Mac. Also, how did you make Nimbus exactly? So everything we made from Nimbus is like we completely like made everything live. So you can go back in the VODs like a month, and you'll see for sure. Origin repo. So if I try going to cursor.com/codebase, will it let me in? Oh God. Oh God. Am I in? Is there a white border on my camera? I can't tell. This account does not have access to Codebase, y'all. Like initially, what was your thing? What do you mean exactly by that, Dre? I don't know what you mean. Okay, so we can't access the Codebase yet. I wonder if I don't know. That's weird. That's weird for sure. Hold on, let's see if I definitely want to try it out though. Hold on. Is GitHub down right now? No, it's not. We're chilling. Nimbus. Okay, we definitely got to push out an update. I think that I already did that today. Okay, 4 days ago was John. Can you go ahead and push, or not push? Sorry. Can you go ahead and pull the latest dev branch and rebuild? Okay, that's doing it. It's been a little bit since I worked on Nimbus. It's been like 3 days ago. Like, how did you start with Nimbus? Like, just prompting Codex? Like, did you do something initially, or did you stream like how you push to Apple? We're not on the App Store, but Nimbus. I called you Nimbus, Ray. But how did we start it off, dude? What we usually do is we create like a. I mean, I might have it still. Guys, I might still have it. So we create a master doc, an implementation plan, right? We make an entire Google Doc for Codex to use. Actually, it was Claude at the time. Zico! Dude, I'm so low. My bad. Oh, why is the chat being so weird, man? I don't know why it's like that. I'm so sorry. But what we do is we create a PRD, and a PRD we give to Codex, and then Codex builds a implementation plan kind of like with it. So we create like a source of truth file, and we just build on top of it. We have a vision. We say we want this thing on the dock. We want it to have smooth animations. If I go back on my older streams, you'll probably be able to see how. Let me see. 2 weeks ago, where is it? So this was the first day 12. Okay. Oh, guys. Okay. All right. So.
Excuse me.
Okay, how did this go? What did we start off with?
Camera. Better.
I'm trying to see. Okay, no, this is the. Hold on. This is 8 minutes long. That's not what we want. That's not what we want. We want this one right here. This one right here. So, we started off.
What? Claude? Doctor.
Yeah, it looks like we gave it some sort of PRD file. Yeah, right here. I mean, you can barely tell by the text.
100%.
But right there is like a master document that we... Oh, my camera's got red. We created like a master document. That's how we basically did it. That's kind of how we started it off, was a master doc. Yeah. With the branding, the name. A source of true file. OG Nixon, what's going on, brother? Are you at work right now? You slacking off, man? No, I'm kidding. It was a joke. But yeah. Dude, we're at 610 subs. That's actually insane. I'll show you the analytics. Let me show y'all something. Analytics. So, this is me doing nothing. Actually, no. I lied. How do I go back even further? See more? Okay. No, let's do last 90 days. So this, actually, this right here is me streaming to nobody. And then we had this pop off right here. And then we had some little bit more pops offs, and I stopped for like a few days, and now we're back. We're back and ready to go. Flashing Windows Server 2022 on the new flash drive to recover. You're using Windows Server 2022? That's actually insane. Insane, dude. All right. Oh, wait. I need you. Okay, it's relaunching. I was like, wait, what? That was weird. Okay. Memory saved. What's this? Import from another AI. No, that's not what we want. Abilities. Has anyone created any marketplace stuff yet? Let's check. Meet Nimbus AI. Let's see. Why is it taking over my thing? Sign in. Let me sign in real quick. I think that's my email that they used. The device is on documents, so depending on what it's in, it might fit my way back to my apartment. That's insane. Yeah, so no marketplace. I need to kind of redo the marketplace side a tiny bit. That's stuff we definitely need to work on. What's it trying to do? Okay, hold on. Oop. That's not what I want. Oh, wait. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yep. Loud and clear.
Okay.
I can hear you just fine.
Perfect.
What's up?
Okay, we got that working. So, okay, Gmail's back up. We fixed Gmail. Hey, do I have any flights scheduled? I didn't say anything. It didn't say like, hey, let me check real quick. It just went straight up, let me check.
I don't see any connected travel or booking account I can check yet.
Can you check the SOAR flights to see if you have any flights coming up?
Got it.
It should say
You
tomorrow.
want to see if anything's already booked in SOAR.
Wanted
Let me
freak,
check.
brother.
I couldn't find a connected SOAR account to check.
Nimbus user Cloud Agent?
If
Yeah.
you want, I can help.
So, what's the difference between using Lovable to build an app and then Vibecademy your app? So, interesting question, because now like Lovable is going towards their own, like they've made an entire video saying, guys, we're not just a website builder or a prototype builder app. They're kind of similar, but I feel like Lovable is more for like newer people, I guess. Like Lovable can create websites and that's it. If you want to create like actual applications and stuff with databases and have like not really enterprise level security, but more or less like actual good security, then vibe coding your own app using like Orca, obviously Claude Code, Codex, stuff like that. Well, VPS, Do you use cloud agents like that? No, we don't have any cloud agents. That would cost us a lot. That doesn't need. We don't need cloud agents for Nimbus. That's just way too overkill, in my opinion. I mean, I haven't checked Lovable in years. I remember they're actually Lovable's in Austin. I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Let's see where Lovable is. I'm pretty sure they have a thing in Austin. Lovable. I don't know where to see it, but they're a website tool or an internal tool. Lovable can make apps now? Are you for real? They can? I don't know. They kind of built their entire platform of being like, oh wait, how do I say this? Towards like unks, in my opinion. Internal tools, download apps. They have an app? I didn't know that. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of Lovable. I don't use Lovable. It says create apps and websites when you click on the page. Like iOS apps. I mean, these all look like websites to me. But it could be used to create like internal tools. They're going crazy right now with internal tools. On the chat, create a web app. Okay, create a prototype. Okay, internal tool that builds something livable. Okay, oh, create apps and websites. Guys, I'm stupid. Sorry, I didn't see that, y'all. I did not see that. Anyways, my bad. Anyways, I don't know. I've never used Lovable. I don't ever plan to use Lovable. I think I'm best with Lovable with their client before, but other than that, like founders. Ask Lovable to create. Okay, they have storage and database. Oh, they use Supabase. I know they use Supabase. I almost bumped my monitor. That's crazy. Yeah, they use Supabase. That's what I thought. Consumer apps. I don't know, man. I don't know. I prefer to have like everything hands-on, and like I bet if you build an app through Lovable, you're stuck on that platform. I think you might be able to upload it to GitHub. Oh, you can. There you go. It's not bad. Okay. Can you tell me what's the biggest file on my desktop? It's gonna launch a background task.
Let me check your files for that, and then I'll tell you. On it. I'll speak up when it's done.
Okay. I'm gonna close this and close this. Now it should be using Codex. Oh, what's going on, brother? Okay, yeah, now it's okay. It's using Codex now. Okay, sweet. It's using Codex. If there's a big difference, there is a big difference. Lovable is like the beginner. The beginner, I would say. What are you building, Sean? I'm building Nimbus. It's like the beginner of vibe coding. If you want to learn about vibe coding, use Lovable, and then switch over to like using other stuff too.
Largest file is
sweet.
C0256 FCP1.mp4.
100%, bro.
About 2.26 gig.
Thank you. What models does Lovable use though? Build your own custom benchmark. What is this? I'm always on vibe coding streams. Yeah. Zico's the goat, man. Dude, this is crazy how fast like Gemini 3.7 Flash is. Like if you look at Jay and Josh, what's going on, brother? What's going on? Yeah, so you guys can do !mark Nimbus in the chat if you want to learn more about what I'm building, or go to meetnimbus.ai. We're at 3 likes. Let's get to 10 likes. So we can hit the. You guys can't see it. The text. 10 likes equals 10 push-ups. I have to push a cam ready right here. Ready to go anytime, baby. Ready to go. Oh, what's going on, brother? Hello. What is your app, dude? I need to get my chat box back up, man. I want y'all to be able to see the messages. How do I reset this? Resets. No custom code. There you go. Now we're back up. All right. Hell, what are you building? I'm building an app called Nimbus. It's an AI cloud buddy that lives on your MacBook dock and cursor. Say what's up to the chat, Nimbus.
Hey, chat. Nimbus here, floating by with a friendly wave. Hope everyone's doing great.
Yeah, so it's me, Nimbus.ai, Zico, Mr. Zico spamming in the chat. Zico's to go, man. Yeah. So I had a whole like markdown file, docs, plan. What is this? Oh, this is the plan that we used. Shake to polish demo. That's not what I want. Codex. Where is it? Site, macOS. There's so many like different like docs things. So it gets confusing, y'all. I need a shave, bro. What is your keyboard? I have a Newfie. What is this? Newfie Air 75. I'll show y'all. Wait, you guys can't really see it. It's glass. You can't really see it, but it's a really good keyboard. It's for macOS. Oops, my bad. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. W Tattoo, Jesus Forever. 100%, bro. 100%. We love it here. That is a good keyboard. I love it. It was expensive though. It was like, dude, it was so expensive. I don't know how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it was like. You have a Mac or a Mini? I have a MacBook Pro, M5. What am I looking for? I thought I had like a. Actually, how's the Phantom Lot integration? So, let's see. Can you show me where the sidebar is on my screen for where all my chats are?
Let me point it out on your screen so you can spot it quickly.
Let's see if it glitches out or not.
The sidebar is this panel on the left side of the window. You can recognize it by the chats heading and list of recent conversations.
Okay, I definitely want to
hide or show the sidebar, click this toggle icon at the top.
Interesting. Bro, my mom has an M3 Pro. She'll use it for work. We all need the 350. Bro, you should trade your PC for it. 100%. Okay. Let me go to Codex real quick. Sorry, that's some client stuff. Where is it? Sites? Ooh, what is this? That's cool. I'm looking for hold on. I'm messing up. I want you to look at different options for the highlighting stuff. I don't like the UI of it. I wonder if we can make it better. This is what it looks like right now when I'm sending. There you go. What model is the talker or GPT real time? Dude, I'm about to say if the stream crashed, I would have been pissed. It was lag? Interesting. Okay, so that's working. I definitely want to put this section at account. Can we move the section to account instead of the file section? All right, and then automations, connected apps. Can we turn off the agent mode, just the keybind itself? We're back, baby. We're back. Okay, so Nimbus 101. What are the main features of your app? So we're basically, it's like a Mac buddy. So you can ask questions, do background tasks, like clean up my desktop. You can talk to it. It can point things out on your screen. It can see your screen and stuff. It can write and pull things up for you. Background tasks. It connects to like 100 different apps like GitHub, Gmail, stuff like that. So if I say, hey, what's my latest email? It checks your Gmail through
Let
the
me
connection.
check that for you, and then I'll read it straight.
So it's gonna check my email, blah 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 blah. And it's gonna play. Come on, do it.
Your latest email is from X, formerly Twitter.
Yeah.
With the subject.
So it does a whole bunch of stuff. It's kind of like an AI multi-tool. Can you tell me where the Backrooms project is on my screen?
Let me take a quick look and point it out for you.
And it's gonna point things out.
You can find
the
Backrooms project right here in your sidebar. Just click it to open.
Another one of the cool things with Nimbus is if I go ahead and I do, hey, can you write me a paragraph that's really misspelled, like it's spelled like a 5-year-old? I'm trying to. Oh, it just restarted itself. Hello, you there?
Hey,
I want you to write a paragraph that's very misspelled and very like a 5-year-old written. I'm testing on a cool feature.
I made a big rocket out of buck.
No. Just put it in the input field. I don't want you to talk like a 5-year-old Jarvis. I mean, Nimbus. Okay, there you go.
Done.
So this right here is a text that's very, very misspelled, right? It's so bad, man. Of course, like a 5-year-old read it. What you can do, you can highlight the entire text and watch this. I'm going to shake my cursor. Boom. Ain't that cool? It's like having Jarvis. I've seen a lot of people mention that. 100%, bro. It is kind of like having that. Dude, I feel like my hat's like so tight on me, man. It is kind of like having Jarvis. What's up, Zico? 1000% aura, 100%. All right. So that's one of the cooler features of account background task. I don't like how this is placed. Do not like that. Anyways, so you can change the voice of it too. That'd be Nimbus. I know, bro. Can you talk like you're 5 years old to me?
Yep. When you ask, I can talk like a 5-year-old.
Try it out right now. Say a sentence.
I want a sandwich with peanut butter and jelly, and maybe some banana. And then I draw a big sun with a smiley face.
Comp Lord, bro. What's going on, man? We're building Nimbus. Nimbus is a AI buddy that lives on your MacBook dock. We gotta redo the site, or at least have like features or something like that. Because our site's like kind of bland. It's meetnimbus.ai if you want to see more about it. But if you guys are new here, join the Discord server, discord.gg/above. We are a founder of Vibecademy Discord server for you guys. We'll be doing showcases. If you guys want to, in the showcase channel, right in discord.gg/above. Any projects that get posted here today, I'm going to show up on stream. We do it almost every stream. Spaceapp.dev. This is some guy's ADE. The UI is interesting. What AI agent Nimbus use? Depends. You choose. For the actual like voice, we use GPT. I'm confused what this guy's building. Okay, this is spoon shit. Dude, one of my viewers was like, I'm so damn bad for Nimbus, I made a Windows version of it. This guy made a Windows version of Nimbus, which is interesting. All right, there you go. So, actually, I should be able to. Oh, you kicked your own PI? No. For the actual background agent, you use either Claude or Codex. It uses your subscription, but if you're like, what's it called? We use GPT real time, and then we use web search. We use Exo for the voice AI. We use Assembly. It's a multi-tool of like AI models we use for Nimbus. We use whatever one is the best for each scenario. 100%. Okay, so connected apps abilities. Oh, actually, let's try this. For the agent mode of computer, actually, I messed up already.
Here you go.
No.
I'll walk you through.
Oh, I was like, wait, what? For the agent mode, I want you to make the cursor. So when it's like using agent mode for Nimbus, I want you to make the cloud click on stuff and act like it's controlling your computer rather than just nothing there. And you just see stuff moving in and out. Okay. Okay, sweet. New automation. What's a SaaS? Software as a service, Pete? Pete, I'm gonna call you Pete, man. Software as a service. And this might be a little bit like, not hypocritical, but it's like, I feel like SaaS is definitely gonna die soon. Definitely gonna die soon. So many people can create their own internal tools and software now. It's gonna be interesting how it goes, but I believe SaaS is gonna die soon. That's why I've started going more into hardware, y'all. Like this, for example. I fuck with what you're doing in the same boat. Appreciate it, brother. That means a lot. But I've been working with a lot of hardware recently. This is a Jetanor Nano. I have a software company called UniDesk. It's a IT platform for businesses. How are you handling integrations for Nimbus? It's a cheat. We're kind of cheating with it. It's called Composio or something like that. Mini Home Lab. So imagine, I have an IT platform called UniDesk, and it's a cloud IT platform. Does UniDesk still make profit? Yeah. And what we're kind of pivoting towards, but not really, is we're gonna make it so your entire IT platform is in-house, so you're not spending like, I don't know, $250 a month on the software. You buy the box that comes with it, you plug it in, you set it up, and then boom, just like that. I'm still working on it, so getting more feedback. OG Nixom, he's my co-founder for Nimbus, not Nimbus, UniDesk. How much are you spending on tokens? You want to see? So for Codex, I've spent 1.8 billion tokens. How does your brain still function after all the prompting? When I use AI, I cannot reason anymore. That's why I only ask it now to give me sources. How does your brain still function after all the prompting? When I use AI, I cannot reason anymore. I mean, I don't really understand the question. I'm all over the place, man. I don't know if you can tell. I'm all over the place all the time. For Codex, I use 1.8 billion tokens in the past 30 days since I started using Codex. I switched from Claude to Codex. For Claude, I have used 1.5 billion in the last 30 days. If I go to my Codex full time, what's the tool named? Which one? Which tool are you talking about? My lifetime tokens for Codex is 4.6 billion tokens in the past. Actually, since what, March? February, January. To see the token usage, it's called Codex Bar. For some reason, I randomly started doing 10 push-ups all the time after seeing a 10 push-up thing. I love it, bro. Next time, send a video. We'll do it together on stream. Let's do it, man. Okay, so that's working. I can go ahead and close this pane. I don't need that anymore. Yes, we require overlayer. Yeah, go for it. The guy who made Codex Bar also made OpenClaw too, so I love that guy. Peter Steinberg is his name. Peter Steinberger. Is it Berg or Burger? I don't know. Something like that. But guys, at 1K subs, I'll be linking the Claude API key, so make sure to sub up, baby. Let's do it. We're at 611. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. But yeah, once we hit 10 likes, we'll be doing the 10 push-ups. We're at 6 likes. That's crazy, man. Bro, but when it loses context, how do you do it, then resend a prompt? I do /compact. Right now, I don't think I'm losing context for any of them. I know, like, Codex, they, like, how do you begin vibe coding? I started, like, a year ago, so it's, like, I created UniDesk. So that was my first, like, vibe coded product, and then I just kept building and building. And I was a programmer beforehand. Before AI, I was a huge programmer. If you look at my GitHub, you'll see, like school projects I had to make because I was able to, like, not take math and science and history and all that stuff, and I was able to just do programming full on. My school allowed it because we were a private school, so they were allowed to experiment with stuff like that. Did I make any money like this yet? I'm intrigued. Have I made any money from Nimbus? I don't think so. I gotta check Stripe. I'll check Stripe right now. What are you building? I'm building an app called Nimbus. All right, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my Stripe for Nimbus. I try not to show it too much because I don't want to get people jealous about how much money I make. So don't get too jealous. But so far we've made $0. Oh wait, shoot, that's UniDesk. My bad. Hold on. That's UniDesk. My bad. But being a programmer before AI feels like cheating. It does, 100%. Let me sign into the actual, like, other Stripe account. All right, let me try the joke again. All right, so I try not to brag about it too much about money, how much money I make. We made $0 again. Would you recommend some with no programming to start vibe coding? 100,000%. 100,000%, bro. Yeah, we made $0 off of Nimbus so far. Because I keep giving away codes. I think it'd be very helpful. I think programming, like, at least, like, learning, like, I think now infrastructure is a thing you gotta learn. Not like syntax, but infrastructure, architecture, stuff like that would definitely be helpful. 100%. Understanding the code that's being written just makes you all over better vibe coder. 100%, man. Now, okay, so I have never learned Swift when I, like, before vibe coding. So, I mean, once you learn one programming language, you can kind of understand the rest. like Java, for example, you learn that you can kind of read the syntax of everything else. Like I know this is like variables. I know that this is also a variable, but it's like a different one. These are functions, stuff like that. But I never learned Swift when I was programming. I learned JavaScript. I mean, if you want to count HTML and CSS, I don't count that programming languages. I call them markup languages. So I don't count those. But JavaScript was my main thing, and TypeScript. It's important to know what you're building, understand the code, so you don't have to code manually anymore. 100%, man. 100%. Now, vibe coding, yeah, you will definitely have to learn. What's the word I'm looking for? Infrastructure, definitely. SQL, you don't have to learn the syntax of SQL. You got to learn RLS though, and how to secure your database. So that's, damn, I used 7 billion tokens on Claude. That's actually insane. Super insane. Oh, what was that? I'm gonna interrupt you. Let's make sure that we're using the same cloud that's around the cursor. When it goes to click on something, the cursor, dude, it didn't crash. It just like, all right. Before I want to interrupt you real quick. I want it to be, okay. This is being weird. Real quick, for the agent mode, I imagine the cursor and the cloud next to the cursor, the cloud goes away from the cursor to click on something. Try Whisper Flow? No, Nimbus is way faster. I just keep like misclicking on accident. We're faster than Whisper Flow. I made 100,000. Whoa, wait, hold on. I made 100K TypeScript code base for an internal tool for my last company. That was back in March, so I knew manual coding is dead. Wow. Yeah, I'm using Nimbus for the dictation. What model are you currently using? I'm using Codex 5.6 Sol or GPT 5.6 Sol. Atlas is supposed to come out soon. What's his name? Tebow? Cat verse you. Are you new to the stream? Welcome, brother. Cat verse you. If you can always make your code better, what is the code actually finished? I mean, look at Google. Do you think they're ever finished? Or it's always tough to innovate on? Well, okay, what am I looking for? Tebow. So Tebow made a tweet right here. He said, Codex, almost 100% reliable, occasional resets, open source. Is that true? And will have Astra. So I'm pretty sure Astra is going to be released this week. And that's why I originally bought the, what's it called? That's why I bought the Codex 200 plan. It was like cursor like IDE specifically for the CRM company I worked for. It lets you orchestrate all their functionality from no code drag. Well, my father's a, guys, if you don't know, my father's a token maxer now. My father has been vibe coding for his work too. It's insane. I mean, that's a little bit better. That has to be fixed though. Why does SpaceX even acquire Cursor? Isn't it like pointless? They have a huge plan. They have a huge plan. I don't know what it is yet, but they're... Dude, can I get this fuck ass thing on my screen? Sorry for cursing, but dude. Get this out of my screen. Quit. It's still up. Alright, whatever. I don't even care. I just saw this URL, or this thing. It looks clean, dude. Cursor Origin looks clean. I really want to try it. But I can't. Oh, Codebase. Oh, wait, guys, I have access now. I have access. Can I have Scott Dev? Can I have Sean? Nope. Can I have Sean Scott? Origin is not available for users on privacy mode? What? okay, can I turn it off? Okay. Privacy. They pay 60 billion for it. I mean, dude, that's like nothing, Elon. Okay, Codebase, get started. Sean Scott. Origin requires a paid plan, dude. A paid plan. Are you serious right now? And it's 20 a month? I'm good. Curious has a massive use of data for post-training RL, so it's completely worth buying. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they automatically put you on, whatchamacallit. No, they put you on privacy mode on default. So, I don't know how that's gonna work. Curse has massive data use of data for post-training RL. I mean, worth buying for SpaceX. Yeah, SpaceX is huge, man. I'm pretty sure they're building up what, Terrafab? Terrafab.com? Is it a... Nope. What's their name? Terrafab.ai? It's not AI. So this is like their new building they're building in Texas. The most epic chip building effort ever. Holy. Yeah, this is the building they're making. Actually insane. Where is this going to be at? Giga Texas. Where's Giga Texas? Oh, dude. It's their own city. Where is it at? Oh my god, it's like right near me. I'm right here, y'all. Wait, is this actually where it is? Oh wait, no, that's not where it is. That's where they are right now. Alright, dude. Well, that just totally messed me up. I scroll out and I see my city right there. Okay, got you. Where is it going to be at? Yeah, I don't know where. I'm too tired to look. Would you use open weight models if they were cheaper, like 50 compared to $100? You get 90% quality of like the closed weight models. God of Voltage. You hold big positions in every company related to Elon Musk. 100%, bro. I don't know. It depends. I mean, like, didn't GLM come out recently? Grok build, damn, that has 64. I didn't know that. Oh wait, I'm not showing all the models. Hold on, how do I select reset to default? Alright. How do I see? What did GLM get? GLM. I can't say right. GLM. It's a 5.2. I mean, it's good, bro. It's good. I gotta test it out though. Is it on an open router? Oh, it's free right now. Do you live in Cedar Park? Yeah, I do. Not anymore though. I'm about to move to Florida. $200 is still cheaper, technically cheaper enough to pay for intelligent model, but Fable at the point is intelligence where open models would definitely be worth switching to. Yeah, I mean, if open models get to where it is today, or where it is like in the future, where I want it to be, I'll totally use it. But I know I have a whole like workflow with Codex, so it'll be hard to switch. That's what they do. That's what they keep you in. But yeah, guys, I'll be moving to Florida in like 2 weeks ish. I got some big stuff planned. I'll tell you that. Big stuff planned for the streams. We're gonna have a whole streaming setup in a warehouse. My cousin lives 5 minutes away from me. That's insane. But we're gonna be streaming at a warehouse from now on. At least that's the plan. But yeah, man. Huge stuff coming. Let's see. Okay, it's still building this. Oops. But yeah, make sure to join the Discord server, discord.gg/above. Shout out Johannes, he just joined. I think that's BMW. I'm tripping. Let's see. Okay, there's 2 talks. We don't need agent mode anymore. We need to get rid of that. Can we get rid of agent mode in this section right here? There you go. Perfect. Damn, if Cursor Origin, I mean, I want to find a video of someone using Cursor Origin because it looks sick, but like, I'm not gonna pay $20 a month for Cab Origin. I think I pay like, hold on, I pay for Above Capital, and I think I pay for UniDesk. View org. I don't know if I do or not actually. I don't know how to check organizations. I'm pretty sure I'm on the free plan. Yeah, I'm on the free plan right now. I'll be back, y'all. Hold on 1 second. Jay Coder, what's going on, man? Give me 1 second, y'all. Ah, there we go. Any advice on what's the meta tool chain to power up Codex? Do you prefer IDs or running local tools like Claude Code? Gender Insights, welcome to the stream, brother. So, I mean, there's a bunch of stuff that I use for Codex. Quite new to vibe coding, so many different repos. It does get overwhelming. I use Ponytail, which is like a make your AI agent think like the laziest senior dev in the room. What's your best project? UniDesk is my best project right now. 100%, bro. UniDesk.ai. It's my main company, actually. I use Windows 11 mainly. So what I recommend 100% is Ponytail. Orca is really good for the ADE. I don't use any local open tools. I use OpenClaw for a little bit. I don't use OpenCode. I don't really find any need for OpenCode. If y'all have like any suggestions, put it in the chat. We'll help out. Gender Insights. Gender Insights. What an interesting name. OmniRouter is pretty cool. OmniRouter or OmniRoute. Hold on. Where's this guy from? Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. Zolos, what's going on, brother? What is going on? I don't understand why this needs to be a thing. Never stop coding. I don't know. I've never seen you needing this. Burn the quota you've already paid for before touching paid APIs. I mean, it's like a backup solution, I guess. I don't know what else to call it. Other than that, I don't really see a difference. Nope. If y'all haven't already joined the Discord server, discord.gg/above, I'll put it in the chat. The page looks like AirSlop, to be honest, the OmniRoute. I don't know. I'm pretty sure OmniRoute's not really worried about what their website looks like. I've seen sites, dude, I've seen so many sites that look like this. It's insane. You can plug your main API to easiest K and all different types of tools to save 90% context too. Wait, OmniRoute? I mean, can't I just download Caveman myself? Caveman. Well, but they have multiple stuff too. Have we checked Strawberry Browser? I've never heard of that. Strawberry Browser. What's the MRR for UniDesk? I unfortunately cannot say that number. Unfortunately. I mean, it's another one of those like AI browsers. It's sick, but it's like, it's alright. A site's kind of like the same thing. The GitHub for OmniRoute is better than the website. Is it really? Let's check. Oh my, yeah, it is. Oh well. Oh well. Alright, there you go. Sweet. You should be able to hear the...
Hi,
Yeah, you can
I'm
hear
Nimbus. Hi, I'm Nimbus.
Nimbus, what's going on, man? What?
Hey!
Okay. Hey, Nimbus. Oh, okay, it works. Sweet. It wasn't working for a little bit.
Nice. I'm floating and ready. What are we doing today? A quick task, a question, or just a vibe check?
Hey, Nimbus. Oh, dude, I can't say it while yawning. Hey, Nimbus. What time is it in Jacksonville, Florida?
It's 3:58 p.m. in Jacksonville right now.
That's sick.
1 hour ahead of...
So, hey, Nimbus works.